putting back some of the buildings while my painter is busy working at other things. And one of the things I worked on is the donut shop. This is the hole-in-one donut shop, and it's now in Paradigm. And my wife suggested that I put sprinkles on it. Those are real sprinkles. They're held on to the donut with by both the paint and some hairspray. So anyway, that one's there, and then we'll walk over to the other end of the layout, and I'll show you the other building that I had worked on. In between all of that, I thought maybe I better stop and show you how the stock feed lot looks with the scenery behind it. So we're getting there, slowly but surely. So I think she did a great job painting that. It's got some good depth to it, and heck of a lot better than I would have done. So now we'll continue walking over to the concrete wall. Retaining wall is completed now against the back wall, and now you can see where the Sunbeam Bread Factory fits into the overall scheme back here. And they've already got one truck loading up some of the bread. So, but anyway, just wanted to show this stuff to you, and there'll be a couple other things we need to add back over in there, but for now that's good enough. See you next time. Bye.